All right, now we're doing W3Schools HTML tutorial, HTML quotation and citation elements. All right, so in this chapter, we will go through the block quote, Q, abbreviation, address, cite, and BDO HTML elements. Here's the first example. This is going to be like block quote right here. So this is a quote from WWF's website, World Wildlife Foundation, and some words, and then it does this block quote over here. All right, so let's read up about it. So HTML block quote for quotations. The HTML block quote element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block quote elements, okay? And so like we just saw, we've got this from this right here. It has the block quote cite equals, so instead of like title equals or whatever equals, it's cite equals, and then we have the website right here that it's going to be quoting from, and then this comes up right there. I guess they had to type it in, but whatever. I thought it would just take it straight from there, but never mind. Anyway, so then somebody just types it in, and here's the quote. Awesome. So now we've got this HTML for short quotations. The HTML tag defines a short quotation. Browsers normally insert quotation marks around the quotation. So let's try it here. WWF's goal is to, and then quotation this, and close quotation. I think it's easier just to do these, but I'm sure there's an application where this works because this is some sort of function or something. I don't know, but there's got to be a reason for it. So let's come to the next one, abbr for abbreviations. The HTML abbreviation tag defines an abbreviation or an acronym like these right here. Marking abbreviations can be useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. Okay, we can use the global title attribute to show the description for the abbreviation acronym when we mouse over the element. So basically, we use this title to put the tooltip around whatever we're abbreviating. All right, so let's check that out right here. So we've got this WHO right here, and it's got World Health Organization right there, and it does this right like that. All right, cool. Good to know, good to know. Let's go to the next one. We've got HTML address for contact information. So the HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author or owner of a document or an article, okay? The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. The text in the address element usually renders it in italic, and browsers will always add a line break before and after the address element. All right. So we've got this. What I got out of it is that line break thing, and then this is, let's go look at it. All right, so it just does it in this format right here, and I guess with the line break too. All right, cool. So that's just a cool way to format things, I guess. Let's go to the next one. We've got this HTML cite for work title. HTML cite tag, pardon me. The HTML cite tag defines the title of a creative work, ergo a book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a sculpture, etc. Note, a person's name is not the title of a work. Gotcha, obviously. The text in the cite element usually renders in italics. All right, so let's try it. So here's the Scream, the title of this old painting by Edvard Munch. All right. Anyway, so we've got the next one, HTML BDO for bi-directional override. Okay, BDO stands for bi-directional override. The HTML BDO tag is used to override the current text direction. So basically it just reverses the characters in a string. See, we've got this here, but it turns into this here. Cool. Well, I'm glad we have that to rely on if we need it. All right, so now we're going to do the exercises. Let's start them. Oh, this is going to be difficult. use an HTML element to add quotation marks around the letters. Cool. Now, this is going to be easy. This one's just that Q. So we're going to do open Q like that. Nope, like that. And then we're going to do close Q like that. Nope, like that. How about that? Let's check it. Looks good. And next. The text below should be quoted, should be a quoted section. So this is going to be that thing from the beginning, block quote. Okay, add the proper, I don't have a screen, I'm just going off of my memory. Anyway, just letting you know, We're going to add the proper HTML element to do it and specify that it is quoted from the following URL, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So block quote, and then I think it was cite in here, but we'll go look at it. So this one's definitely block quote. So open block quote. Nope. Nope. What's the deal here? Yeah, we're gonna just check it. We're just gonna go check it because I thought I was cool. And it turns out we've got it right here. Block quote. Block quote. What was wrong, bro? Let's do it again. Block quote. Oh, yeah, because the closer is right here. Okay, so yeah, it was right. So let's come up here and look at the quote, block quote, and it was cite. Okay, cool. So cite, C-I-T-E, and then we're going to do close block quote. Block quote, like that. Let's check it. Looks good and submit it. Okay, now we're going to make the text below go from right to left. So it's the BDO, was it BDO? BDO and what else? I don't remember. Let's try BDO first. BDO, what was it? And then let's do BDO here. Close BDO. Let's see if they're just trying to trick us. Nope. Let's try it again. BDO, let's go look and see what BDO needed to look like. All right here, BDO, dir, right to left. Okay, I did not see that. All right, cool. So good thing we're doing this. BDO, it's gonna have direction, and this one's gonna be right to left. Let's do that. BDO space dir equals quotation mark RTL quotation mark. That's couldn't be it. That's not it. Let's go look again. Dir equals RTL. Come on now. Oh, it's not a closer. All right. And there. Nope. And nope. Give me a second. One more time. Sorry for the delay. All right, there we go. Awesome. All right, so the letters WHO, WHO, in the text below is an abbreviation for World Health Organization. We're going to use an HTML element to provide the specified abbreviation of WHO. So it's going to be let's do abbr since we already have the open right next to it. And then I think we're doing the tooltip, so we're going to say title equals, and then let's close it with abbr again. Let's see. Looks good, and there we go. All right, so now we're on to HTML comments. And let's go down to the bottom one, see what else we got. We have these HTML quotation and citation elements. If you want to check out any of these links, they're right here. We also have the list of all available HTML tags right here. And so now we're on to HTML comments, and we'll see you next time.